Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We just did a really cool pour called Serendipity, which was a beautiful ring pour, and that was in honor of Dreamcatcher and Luminous and those beautiful lines, and we got that to happen again, and it was really, really cool. And I still have some paint left over. After I poured that one, I was thinking about, should I spin it out to try to keep the integrity of the lines a little better, or should I tilt it? And I decided to tilt that one. But when we finished shooting, I have paint left, and HOA suggested, since I also have a canvas here, maybe we could pour it again and spin this one out and see if there's any huge differences. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'll show you my colors real quick. This is Amsterdam Blue Violet. This is Pebeo Studios Iridescent Blue Green. This one is Amsterdam Pearl Violet. And this is our 24 karat gold from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And this is also a flow extender of that same permanent blue violet. So we actually recorded this once before and my microphone died, so I've already layered the cup, which you will see now. So let's go ahead and pour this. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Alas, I am.
Okay. We're going to pour. Let me move this into the middle a little bit better. Right there. All right. We're going to start with a little tiny puddle of gold, just a small one to pour into, because I want that to be underneath what we're pouring out and have it be spread super, super thin. So if it wants to swell up and give us some beautiful gold cells, that's just fine. Okay. This should be only about 10 ounces or so of paint. So hopefully we don't have a lot on. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to turn that just because my canvas likes to always go that way. So let's fix the center really quick. Give it a pretty swirl. There we go. Okay, now we're going to torch it. So if we were to tilt this out just like this, with only 10 ounces of paint, needing 15, it would get really super stretched out, and it might look cool, but it's probably also going to be not as sharp and defined. So by using a flow extender, we get to spread this out without it losing a lot of definition. So we're going to take our flow extender, which is the same blue violet, and I have thinned that out even more with water. Actually, it was the drips I scraped off of the table from Serendipity, but there was so much purple that nothing else shows. So we're going to pour this around here. All right, I'm going to move this down just a little bit so it's kind of more in the center before we start spinning it. Okay. All right. Enough stalling. Are you ready? Let's spin it out. Oh wait, I was going to torch it one more time. Let me torch it again first. All right. Ready? tilting and swirling. It's a Tilt A Swirl. Okay. How did you have it on there? There? Okay, yeah. All right, ready? I think I pushed the canvas on that one. It's the wood unit, not the canvas. That is spreading out really pretty. All right, let's look at this. That one's like dizzy now.
NEM, it's a twister, it's a twister.
All right. Reminds me of a galactic cactus. That one was awesome. That was the one we spun out. Do you think, should we spin it one more time or should we?
Let's spin it some more. Is it too thick?
I kind of like the negative space.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Now we'll go a little bit more to try to get some of that a little closer to the edge. Okay, ready?
Nice.
That worked pretty damn good. That's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna move it down now.
Tilt A Swirl.
I'm glad my cheesy jokes make you happy, darling. Okay, I think I'm done tilting it. So I'm just gonna move this and then get rid of the spinner. Yeah, I'm done spinning it, sorry. Thank you. So I don't think I'm gonna mess with it anymore. Well, no, actually I do kind of want to go down that way a little bit more. Just a smidge. Also, because you see those cool cells that are popping up in that darker purple part, as we move them back and forth, they actually will grow.
Channel that game show announcer. Tilt A Swirl.
Now that you've done it and gotten it out of your system.
I got one more. Tilt A Swirl.
Okay, so see those cells popping up in the middle there? That's awesome. Okay, so I like this. The only thing I'm going to do now is come in with a little bit of that flow extender. And we're going to put it on this corner, and then I'm going to push that over with the spatula to get our edges and corners covered and pretty. I know it drives you guys nuts when I don't. So the best way to do it is just pour it on top and let it float down and cover it. Okay, so there's the pretty sun shot. I just want to take this part down a little bit, kind of compress a little bit of that and open this up just a touch.
Tilt A Swirl.
Okay, so observations now from doing this and the other one, Serendipity. I gotta say, I'm a little surprised at my reaction because I love to tilt, you guys know that. But I think I like the way that this looks almost better in terms of uniformity. It's got those beautiful lines. We see that lovely round circle shape, and then the background and base coat is really solid. It's not really like hooked over the corner and then tilted back and stretching it all out just a little bit over here. So I think I actually like this one almost better. Wow, I did not expect that. Which just goes to show you always keep learning. So, and you know, everything is a tool. The spinning is a tool. So you use the tool when it's useful to you, and when it's not, you don't. So this was really, really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment also. I'll show you both of them together when they are dry, and we'll do a little comparison. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you very, very soon. Happy New Year! Okay, so this one is Serendipity Spun Out. This is really fun. I think this was so cool. And I really, really enjoy the fact that I have the tilted one and now the spun out one to compare next to each other. And interestingly enough, I actually prefer this one. I think I like the spun out better a little bit because it keeps that round, beautiful circle shape, and there's a lot of depth to it. The other one is gorgeous too, and I love the lines that are in this, but I really like that I can see the whole circle, how it actually just stretched and spread in one piece and didn't get, you know, distorted a little bit on the corners and edges from tilting. So this was really cool. This is that same Amsterdam permanent blue violet and the Pebeo Studios iridescent blue green. Gorgeous cells in there. These fingerlings. This one does have a coat of spray varnish on it, just to make everything pop a little bit more. Look at these lines in here, I love it. And the beautiful little cells, pretty center. So cool how that permanent blue violet dries so dark up on the corners. And this had the pearl violet from Amsterdam, which I see just a tiny bit up there where it mixed with the gold. Maybe I didn't have those mixed thick enough. But I love these fingerlings. This is just so cool in here to me. So this was awesome. So this should be the last one that you see in 2020. And like we said before, we send you all our best wishes for a wonderful 2021 for everybody. Good health and peace and prosperity and laughter and love and always light. Thank you guys so much for being part of our journey. We will see you next year. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.